All right, so I was reading about the wildfires in California and how the U.S. is struggling to contain them. And yeah, I just wanted to research into it, why the wildfires were happening in the first place, and what kind of solutions, even if, we hadn't quite solved the problem, what are some potential solutions that we can do to basically solve it? And I watched a few videos, and some of them were saying the wildfires were exacerbated due to the Santa Ana winds, and that there were hurricane winds that had just pushed the fires forward, and so as a result of that, the fire was just spreading at a rapid rate. So anyways, I was doing some research on this, and I was like, what would it look like if we looked at it from like a Avatar The Last Airbender lens, where the fire was actually somebody firebending, the wind was somebody airbending, and then waterbending and earthbending. And how can we incorporate these into stopping the flames? So anyways, the research I did, it was like, fire suppression methods. So there's things called fire breaks, which interrupt the path of the fire. There's water, planes flying water over the fires to reduce it. There's earth bending, and the stuff that I found, it was like you can use earth bending to like dig trenches basically, and these are like realistic applications, but like earth bending to dig trenches and contain the fires that way. You can use fire bending to divert the fires into a different path, air bending to also divert it and push it away from the main path, and then water bending to like just extinguish it as much as possible. And I thought this was a really cool lens to look at it from, because eventually, we can incorporate all four of these styles to reduce the fire. And I just wanted to share that perspective of looking through that lens.